I don't know. Yeah, it's up to him, right? But if he wants to, he could. Just like, well, Jesus wasn't the only one who did healings, right? Can you name some other people that did some healings? All right, well, the disciples did, yeah, mine. Paul, sure. Now how did they do that? They didn't have the power themselves, right? But it was God's Spirit working through them to do those miracles. If he wanted to do that with us, he certainly could, but we'll have to wait and see what he's got up his sleeve. He says to another miraculous powers, to another prophecy, the ability to speak forth God's word or to prophesy what's coming in the future. In fact, in the book of Acts, you can read about that there was a guy that God revealed, Paul was going to go down to Jerusalem. The guy takes Paul's belt and he binds his hands up and he says that the man who owns this belt is going to get bound up in prison. Well, that's in fact what happened to Paul. It didn't stop him from going to Jerusalem, but that was God sort of